you're watching my video for the first time, I'm a Precious Elisha. Welcome to my channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit on the notification button to know whenever I post a new video. So today guys, I want to show you how to cut and sew this beret. I started this beret business last year and it's been paying me. People admire it whenever I wear it to church. If I'm walking on the road, they'll be like, I love this beret, I love your beret. So today guys, I said okay fine, let's do this. I'll teach you how I made my beret, and it's very easy and simple, so let's ride along.
First of all, what I do is I use a paper. You can use any paper to cut it so you will not waste your leather. So first, measure out the wideness of the beret. 10. If you want to make it to be smaller, you make it to be 9. The length, I'm making it 13. If you want to make it to be smaller, you make it to be 12. So I'm using 10 by 13. That's for a bigger head. For a smaller head, you do 9 by 12. So I draw the line. Then the next thing is to fold it from the center. Once you fold it from the center, measure 6.3. 6.3. For a smaller head, you measure 6. So the next thing I'll be doing is to use the circle to trace the leather. Remember, to avoid wasting the leather, use the paper to trace the leather. Then cut the circle. Then use the same circle to cut another circle. We are cutting 2 circles. Then the band length, it's 4. That's 2. If you fold it to be 2, then the length is 25. The length of the band is 25. Then using the second circle, fold it like you're cutting a fillet, just like this. Then when you fold it, I'm measuring 3.3 for a smaller head, 3 on a dot. I'm measuring 3.3. So after cutting, place it on top. Then first of all, I use my thumb tack to secure the circle from shifting, to maintain the circle when sewing it. So I secure it with the thumb tack. Then I start sewing. You can see I'm sewing it a double line. I'm sewing it 2 times to secure the stitches because I will notch it. So the reason for sewing it 2 times because I will notch it in case one of the rope cuts. Then notch. After notching, turn it out the inside. When you turn the inside, then next thing is to lay down the stitches. Lay it down by the right side. So guys, the next thing is to use the band to stitch it to notch. I always notch. It's very good to notch to get a neat work. Then use the band to close the mouth, then stitch. Finally guys, we are almost done. This is very easy and I hope you try this at home. Very easy. You see that?